The funding model, as you are aware, the president had formed a team that was reviewing, the presidential review team that was formed in September last year. It has done a fantastic job in reviewing and taking into account all those issues that Kenyans raised, including what was raised in that court case, so that what now is going to be debated, what is going to come out, is a model that is fit for purpose. So that report is being completed. They are finalizing it. Once it is finalized, we'll discuss their recommendations therein and how they have dealt with the teething problems that were there in the previous model. So we are doing something on that aspect so that come September, when the new cohort is joining, they will be utilizing a model that is fit for purpose, that does not have the challenges that the previous model had. I had indicated that capitation was released, but there is a shortfall. There is a balance of 14 billion, which the ministry is working very, very closely with Treasury to ensure that it is released. We've liaised and we've talked to our head teachers not to send the students home, because it is not the parents who pay the school fees. The school fees is paid through the capitation from our government. So we are doing everything we can to ensure that that 14 billion balance is released very, very soon. We are hoping that it will be released by next week. And I can assure you that even as of yesterday, my team from the ministry was in Treasury trying to find out whether there are enough resources so that that capitation can be released. So I just want to assure the country that as a government we are doing something about the release of that capitation, and going forward we are working on mechanisms to ensure that the capitation is actually released on time, so that we do not have these challenges that the head teachers and the pupils are going through. So we are doing something about it.